Why does your scanner show the P0106 engine code? What does it mean? P0106 is a diagnostic trouble code for manifold absolute pressure / barometric pressure circuit range / performance problem. This error code indicates a malfunction with the MAP sensor, which is crucial for the engine control module to determine the correct air-fuel mixture. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAP sensor, vacuum leaks, faulty barosensor, clogged catalytic converter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Vauxhall, Mitsubishi, Ford, Opel, and Fiat. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.